How-to vids. How to connect your Anker conference speakerphone to your cell phone. Step 1, make sure your phone is on Bluetooth setting. Step 2, turn on your portable conference speakerphone. That button is on the left. The button on the right is for Bluetooth.
Okay.
That little chime is just letting you know that your speakerphone is turned on. Okay, now we're going to return to the Bluetooth settings. You're going to select Anker Power Conference and you're going to hear a chime, and that means your device is connected. Swipe down on the controls for your phone and you can see the device is now connected to your phone. A green ring is going to pop up showing that you are now on speakerphone mode.
Hello?
Hi, Mom.
Hi, sweetie.
I was trying to call you back. I was just shooting a video right now.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it's on that Anker speakerphone.
Uh-huh. Oh, okay. I hear you.
Okay,
Very
I'm gonna end the video in a second.
Okay.
But can you hear
right.
anything in the background?
Nothing at all.
Oh, really?
Mm-hmm.
That's great. I have the air blasting, so I thought you would be able to hear it, and I'm right above the vent.
Really? No.
Yeah.
Silence.
Okay, so it sounds crisp to you?
It sounds good to me.
Okay, okay.
As you can see, we got the Anker speakerphone to work perfectly. Watch the next video so you know how to care and maintain your products. See you in the next video.